Hey Northwest, I'm Cameron Crane, and this is your Northwest Minute. The Northwest Rankin Cougarettes compete in the National High School Dance Team Championships at Disney's Wide World of Sports. They have already performed in the semifinals for kick this morning and will take the floor for jazz at 11 a.m. and game day at 7:30 p.m. They will compete again on Saturday if they advance. Good luck. Good luck to the Northwest Rankin bowling teams as they compete in the state championships today. Both the girls and boys finished second in the regional tournament last week to advance to the championships. The boys finished third and the girls finished fourth in last year's tournament. The Northwest Rankin show choirs had a great showing this past weekend at the South Jones Show Choir Invitational. Our girl group, The Allure, won 4th place overall, and mixed group, The Ambassadors, won 1st place in the large division Tier 1. They also won Best Visuals and were named Grand Champion. Shout out to Clay Nelson, who won 2nd place in the solo competition. They are back in action this weekend at the Jackson Academy Show Choir Invitational. And finally, today begins Black History Month. And Northwest Rankin is excited about a month full of activities honoring the legacy of black leaders that have gone before us. This year's theme is inspired by this quote by Michael Jordan: "I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying." There is a full slate of events scheduled for the month, including the Teacher Door Decorating Contest, HBCU Showcase, Zero Block Speakers, and much more. Watch your email inbox, keep an eye out for posters, and listen for the announcements about all that's scheduled to happen during Black History Month. The Northwest Minute is news for the student by the student. Thanks for watching. I'm Cameron Crane, and we'll see you next time.